Hey everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're looking at a smart pellet grill packed with modern technology and serious BBQ versatility, the Zelos-450 WiFi A.I electric wood pellet smoker grill. If you want authentic wood smoked flavor combined with smart controls, app connectivity, and beginner-friendly cooking performance, this grill is definitely worth a closer look. Right away, the Zelos-450 stands out because it combines traditional BBQ smoking with modern smart grilling technology. This is a 7-in-1 outdoor cooking system, meaning you can grill, smoke, roast, bake, braise, sear, and barbecue all from one machine. That makes it incredibly versatile for everything from burgers and steaks to brisket, ribs, chicken, vegetables, and even pizza. The 450 square inch cooking area provides enough room for family meals, backyard cookouts, and weekend BBQ sessions without making the grill feel oversized. It's a nice balance between cooking capacity and practical outdoor size. One of the biggest highlights is the built-in Wi-Fi smart control system with AI functionality. Instead of constantly standing beside the grill, you can monitor and adjust temperatures remotely through your smartphone. This adds a huge level of convenience during long smoking sessions because you can track cooking progress without repeatedly opening the lid and losing heat. The PID temperature controller is another major advantage. PID systems are known for maintaining extremely accurate and stable temperatures compared to traditional pellet grill controllers. The Zelos-450 can reach temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you flexibility for both low and slow smoking and higher heat grilling or searing. The included meat probe also helps improve cooking precision. You can monitor internal meat temperatures in real time to achieve perfectly cooked brisket, ribs, chicken, or steaks without guessing. Like other pellet grills, the Zelos-450 uses real hardwood pellets to create authentic smoky flavor. You can experiment with hickory, mesquite, cherry, applewood, or pecan pellets depending on the flavor profile you want. That wood-fired taste is what makes pellet grilling so popular among BBQ enthusiasts. Another useful addition is the included waterproof cover. Outdoor grills are constantly exposed to dust, rain, moisture, and changing weather conditions, so having a protective cover included helps extend the lifespan of the grill while keeping it cleaner between cooking sessions. The overall design looks modern and sleek while still feeling durable enough for regular outdoor use. Whether you're a beginner learning BBQ techniques or someone upgrading from traditional charcoal grilling, the Zelos-450 makes wood-fired cooking more approachable and easier to manage. Overall, this grill delivers an impressive combination of smart features, Wi-Fi control, accurate temperature performance, and authentic pellet smoked flavor. For anyone wanting modern technology combined with classic BBQ taste, the Zelos-450 is a strong option to consider. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more outdoor cooking and tech reviews here on GadgetVerse. And if you want to check out the Zelos-450 WiFi A.I pellet smoker grill for yourself, the Amazon link is in the description below.